In this video clip, I will show you how to manage the engineering units displayed in a SysCAD project. Internally, SysCAD handles all of its calculations using SI units. However, you can change how the engineering units are displayed in the model or how they are reported elsewhere. The first thing you can have a look at is, do you want to use metric units or American units? And to do that, we click on Edit, Conversions, and here you can see we can choose use metric defaults or use American defaults. Or you can click on the defaults and display, and this gives you a full list of all the conversions that are available within SysCAD. If we leave ours on metric, we can still change individual fields within SysCAD. So for instance, if I click on this pipe, I right click on it, and you can see here it's showing the mass flow, the volume flow, normal volume flow, temperature. If I want to display the mass flow in something other than tons per hour, click on the field. If I right click on that field, the very first field here is conversions, and at the moment we're using the default, which is tons per hour. But this shows me the list of available units that I may change it into. So I could change this to kilograms per hour. In this case, the flow has changed to kilograms per hour, and it will be the same on all streams. This field will have changed to that value. However, the default is still tons per hour, so in other places where it's showing tons per hour, as down here, it will remain as tons per hour. I could change the default to be kilograms. So if I click back on that field, right click, go to conversions, and go down to the bottom here where it says change default. Click on that. And you see here at the moment the default, which is ticked, is tons per hour. If I wanted that to be kilograms per hour, I could tick there, and now that is the default. In addition, I can choose to hide some of the other conversions or display. So you can see at the moment we are hiding the short tons per hour, but we're not hiding ounces. So if I say I don't believe I need to see the ounces, I can click on those, and possibly also grams if I hide the grams. And if I say apply and OK, you'll see all the flows are now by default being shown as kilograms per hour. In addition, if I right click now and go to conversions, I no longer can see the grams per hour or the ounces per hour on there. And of course, this is available for any of the other fields. So for instance, for temperature, if I right click on a temperature field, conversions, at the moment I've got Kelvin and Celsius. If I say change default, you can see Fahrenheit is hidden. I click on there to unhide that, and I say OK. I click on that field, and you can see I can now choose Fahrenheit as well for my display. And hence, you can customize your project to look exactly as you wish with units.